Hello everyone. Welcome to Cambridge Primary Science Stage 6, Chapter 1, Humans and Animals. Today we are going to study about the body organs. Now we'll learn about the body organs. So what do you mean by organs? The organs are the parts inside our body. The different organs, they do the different jobs to keep us alive and healthy. The organs work together to form the systems that carry out the functions that keep us alive. Body organs are found in specific positions within the body. Organ system. When different organs work together, we call it as an organ system. The liver is a body organ, perform functions like store energy, break down harmful substances in the body. Now we learn about the major body organs that are heart, stomach, intestines, lungs, kidneys, and brain. There are some different positions of the body organs like brain, lungs, we can see the stomach, the kidney. These all are the human organs. There are some question and answers which we're going to study about. First question, which organ is found in the head? Brain. Brain is found in the head and it controls all the body functions. Second question, which organ are found in the chest? Heart and lungs, they are found in the chest. Heart is a circulatory organ that pumps the blood, carrying food and oxygen to all the parts of the body. Lungs that provide the body with the oxygen and remove the carbon dioxide from it. You don't have to give just only a one word answer. You can explain it so that you get the good marks in your paper. Which organs are found in pairs? Lungs and kidneys. Lungs are the two spongy sac-like organs and kidneys are the pair of organs that maintain the proper water and salt balance in the body. Which organs are found below the chest? Stomach, intestine and kidneys. These are the organs which are found below the chest. What do you think is the function of each organ? They will ask you about the functions of each organ. You have to explain it like brain, lungs, heart, kidneys, stomach and intestine. Let's discuss about brain. It is the part of the body that thinks and reasons and controls all the body function. Lungs. It helps in breathing. It provides body with the oxygen and remove the carbon dioxide from it. Heart. It is a circulatory organ that pumps the blood carrying the food and oxygen to all the parts of the body. Kidneys. Its prime function is excretion. It maintains proper water and salt balance in the body. Stomach and intestine. Stomach is a sac-like portion which helps in digestion. There are two types of intestine. We call it as a small and the large intestine, which is further helps in the body in the digestion process. Now, do you know how can we protect these body organs? Yes, skeleton is important in protecting the vital body organs. Skull protects the brain and the ribs protect the heart and lungs. I hope now you are clear with the concept of the body organ. Thank you so much and looking forward to share more videos with you. Do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.